Okay, so this is for 8P1, and I'm going to label articulations and muscular system. So I already started labeling, but I messed up on the other video. This is the third try. So I'm just going to briefly go over them. This would be the periostem, and I'm still learning to pronounce the words correctly. About right here would be the fibrosis capsule. This black dark line is the synovial membrane. The white right here is the synovial fluid. This line right here is the accessory ligament. And then the area with the dotted lines right here is the articular ligament. And then now we are going to go over the muscles. So this would be the frontal bone, but it's the epicranius frontals. Then this would be the temporal bone, but it's the temporalis. And we're going over the muscles, but you can see like similar to temporal bone, temporalis. And okay, so around the eye is the orbicularis oculi. Okay, so the first red is the zygomatus minor, and this will be the major. I didn't color this, but right here is the beaconator or buccinator. And then the green is the masseter. This blue is the platysma. The orange is the trapezus. And then this would be the occipital bone, but it's the epicranius occipital. So you can see it similar in the words, the bones and the muscles. So the green would be the sternocleidoid mastoid. This would be the trapezus. The shoulder is the deltoid. And then both of these, so this one, that one, is the pectoralis major. So the yellow is the transverse abdominis. So the inside, so it's basically saying the transverse, the inside, and then the red is the outside. So the inside would be the internal oblique. And the red is the external oblique. This would be the abs. So this would be the rectus abdominis. I'm sorry, my handwriting is not good. I'm not writing on something firm, so you can see it a little bit better. So the brown is the trapezus. This would be the deltoid. And this picture is showing the posterior. And then this lime green right here is the rhomboidus major. The yellow, oh, I didn't mark out this one, but as you can see, the red is the latissimus dorsi. The yellow is the infraspinatus. And then the orange is the teres minor. Sorry, people's coming in my room. The blue is the teres major. And then this green on the back, so it's the posterior, and so it would be the triceps brachii. So, and my advice is to color the bones and the muscles. The coloring really does help. So it might repeat itself, but this is the trapezius, this is the deltoid, and the pectoralis major. So this is showing the anterior. So this part would be the biceps brachii. And then there's a little yellow and then a bigger yellow. So these two is the brachialis. Now we are doing the anterior of the leg. So this orange would be the tensor fasciae latae. Sounds like a Starbucks. This blue would be the rectus femoris. The brown right here would be the vastus lateralis. The say blue is the vastus medialis. The long muscle right here is the longest muscle of the leg. It is the sartorius. The green is the adductor longus. The yellow is the gracilis. And I'm sorry, I'm still trying to learn how to pronounce these words. Gracialis. And then the red is the adductor magnus. So I hope this, and then this is gastroic anemius, and then this is tibialis anterior. So if I pronounced any words wrong, I'm sorry. I'm still in the class, so. But I hope this video helps some people, and yeah, see you later.